Yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Let's learn how to split screen here on Windows 11. So this is one application that I want to open, and I'm going to teach us how to use multiple applications at the same time here on your Windows 11. So just go ahead to this section and you're going to see two others. So I can double split screen and I can triple split screen, or any amount. So you can see this here, you can make it 4, you can make it 2 on any grid version that you want. So I want to make a double, so I'm just going to click on this, and you can see I have both this and my CapCut here, and you can control whatever one you want to at any time. I can go here and control this. So this is me splitting screen on this two, or if I want more than this, I can just go ahead to this section here, and you can go ahead to zoom one like this, or make one bigger or the other smaller. So if I want to do this to 3 different softwares at the same time, I'm just going to come here to this and click on like this. So you can see I have 3 softwares running at the same time right here on my Windows, and you can control the size. You can make one smaller and make the other bigger. So this is how to split screen right here on your Windows 11. So if you found this video useful, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.